In this video, you'll learn how to unlock your existing OKX wallet. This guide will provide clear instructions on accessing your wallet securely and efficiently. By the end, you will be able to unlock your wallet and manage your assets with ease. To begin, locate the OKX wallet application on your device. Once you find it, proceed to open the application. After the application launches, you will be presented with the main interface of the wallet. This screen is where you can manage your cryptocurrencies and other assets. Next, look for the option labeled Unlock Wallet. You can typically find this option prominently displayed on the main screen. Clicking on Unlock Wallet will prompt the application to request your credentials, ensuring that only authorized users can access the wallet. After clicking Unlock Wallet, a new input field will appear, prompting you to enter your wallet password or passkey. Make sure to input your credentials carefully, as any errors may prevent access. Take a moment to verify that you are entering the correct password or passkey. Once you've entered your password or passkey, confirm your entry by clicking the appropriate button to proceed. This action will trigger the wallet to validate your credentials, and you may see a loading indicator during this process as your request. If your credentials are correct, you will gain access to your OKX wallet, where you can view your balance and manage your assets. In case of an incorrect password, an error message will appear, prompting you to try again. It is important to ensure that you have a strong internet connection to avoid delays during this process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.